Stay tuned for the episode of Lauren's house where we take one step forward, two steps back. Okay, kids, we're back at Lauren's house, and the last video we did down here, I was demoing the plaster off of this wall. So as you can see, we have it framed, and it's about ready for drywall. Before we can drywall it, I have to put furring strips on the ceiling. Before I can fur the ceiling, I have to do some wiring. We're going to have a plug there. We're going to have a 20 amp plug here because that's what we need. We need to run, and then it'll be tied into this. Here's another plug here because this is where the vanity is going to go. Okay. I got to fix this drywall, and I got to run the rough-in for the lights. All right, one thing I realized when I started to drill the hole in here, I don't know where these wires are going on the other side. In my luck, they stapled them on this stud, and I would hit them. I didn't mention these are nailers that I put in for attaching the drywall. So what I'm going to do is I'm cutting a strip of drywall out through here. It'll expose this, so I know I won't hit any wires. This will be an easy enough patch, especially for everything I've done in this house. So here we go. I already made one cut. Here's the problem I have. So I cut this out, and if you guys can see here, it's double drywall. So here, I cut my piece, right? And man, this looks pretty good, but uh-oh, something's wrong. Yeah, they used 2 3/8 inch drywall, sandwiched them together. I have 1/2 inch drywall. Who didn't see that coming? All right, I went and got 3/8 drywall, and I patched it. We did this off camera, and we did it yesterday. So I have the rough-ins for the outlets. Remember, 20, 20, 20. And then what this is going to be is this is going to be for the heater. And I have that right there. This is where the GFI is going. Okay, this one's power. This is going up to that outlet. So the way we wire this, remember my other videos, here's the line, this is the line, this is the load. And so this will go here, and this will go there. I did it wrong. Okay, lights on. Power. The receptacles are done. Got the wire run. I have it tucked up here for now, but I have plenty to go to the bottom, or whatever I have to do. And then same here, I left plenty here, so in case we have to move it up, down, left or right. I'm getting there.